Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with Asha Harish. I am your Asha ma'am. Dear students, in our today's session, let us learn about some simple tricks we have to follow while you're doing simplifications. Already previous session completed students. In that session also I explained some basic tricks what you have to follow while doing simplification. That is part 1. Today's session is session 2. Let us get into the class now. What is the first question we have? And one more thing students, I'll provide all the links in description. You can go through them. After that you can see this class. This is the first question. Just while simplification, the question what we have to follow. Simply 8 divided by 88 into 8888 So here is division operation and here is the multiplication operation could be done. And here you can see 8 by 88 into this number I have written here. So here is the cancellation 11 times. Then directly you can write like this 8888 by 11. So this is the answer. Right. Let us see the next question here. What we have 78 minus 10 plus 8 by 5 of 50 minus 10 into 4 divided by 2. Here students you can see division operation is there, subtraction is there, multiplication is there and brackets also. So you have to follow here for this question BODMAS rule. BODMAS. Here you came to know that B stands for brackets. Here brackets types also like this square brackets and curly brackets also. Then you have to give first priority to this bracket, second priority to this, third priority. First of all brackets. Second one is off. Off means nothing but multiplication. Okay, off means here is the multiplication. Then after that just here first division followed by multiplication followed by addition followed by subtraction. Okay, first one division followed by multiplication followed by addition and followed by subtraction. So this is the BODMAS rule you have to follow just to solve this question. First of all, let us see. You have to focus on these brackets where we have here. So here 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Now 50 minus 10, so 40. Sorry, here you have to follow this BODMAS rule. First of all, what they have given in the brackets itself. So you can see here also division takes place, multiplication and subtraction also. First of all you have to focus on this division. So answer 2 we got, and after that here multiplication. So this 10 into 2. First of all you have to give priority to this. 10 into 2. How much? 20. Now 50 minus 20. Right. This is the correct sequence. We have to do like this only. Now students 78 minus here 10 plus 8 by 5 of means nothing but into. Here how much you have? 30. So directly these 5 will be cancelled in this 6 times. Now 78 minus 10 plus 8 6 48. So 78 minus 58 is equal to 20. So this is the answer, is equal to 20. Right? Let us see third question. 333.33 plus 33.33 plus 3.33 plus 30.003. What is the sum of these numbers? We have to find out. So here 333.33, next 33.33, next 3.33, 30.003. We have to write like this. All the decimals should be in order, same, one place. So here there is no number. You have to keep here 0 simply. Now according to just by applying unit digit method here 0, and if you place here also 0, here also 0, here also no number. Why? Because 3 already is there. So now 0 plus 3, 3, again 0 plus 3, 0 plus 3, so you have only 3. Now if you see the options here, in these options where you find 3 here in units place, that is only the correct answer. Okay, simple method. Right, let us see question number 4. I'm going to write here question number 4. 4003 into 77 minus 21015 is equal to question mark into 116. We have to find out the number which is present in this place of question mark. These are the options. Now students have last digit technique to this question. Dear students, you have to remember one thing. In childhood days you have learnt about, in any chemical equation, LHS must equals to RHS. So coming to chemistry topic, in a balancing chemical equation, in LHS side the total number of atoms must equal to RHS side total number of atoms. And if you consider the mass also, the mass of the reactants must equals to the mass of the products also. This thing you have to remember now. If the numbers are simple, for suppose I'm going to give an example here. 12 fours are 48 and 16 into 3. 16 into 3 also 48. So here this is LHS and here RHS. LHS side also we have 48, RHS side also we have 48. If the numbers are simple numbers, then the multiplication is very easy. In this case, it is very easy to say the resultant value. For suppose if the numbers like just 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit and so on, you may feel very difficulty to get the resultant value by seeing the last digits. Okay, now for suppose 12 into 4 here, this is LHS and RHS. I explained the example. Now the same technique let us apply to this question. Here is the question, okay, and the same technique means here if you take the last digit here students, 3, 7, 5, here question mark and 6 here. So 3 into 7 minus 5 is equal to question mark into 6. Just only last digits only I have written here. Here 3 into 7, that is 21. So here is the last digit 1. Okay. Now this 1 minus 5, so it is very difficult. So we can borrow the number just like this. It will become into 11. Now 11 minus 5 you have to do. Now 6. On this LHS there is a number, sorry, this is RHS, okay. Coming to my side, it is my LHS. As per the concept of balancing the equation, you know that very well. RHS should be 6 here. Already we have 6 in RHS. If we multiply this 6 with some other number, we may get 6 here in LHS also. For suppose 6 into 1, or for suppose 6 into 6, just like 36. Here also we got 6 in the units place, here also 6 in the units place. Our answer should have either 6 or 1. Okay, now let us see the options now. 6 or 1 means here is the option D. In the units place 6 we have, so that is the correct answer. Okay, I hope you understand this entirely. Here just we have to consider the unit digit technique. So last digit technique, units place you have to consider. Here 3 into 7, 21. Here 21, 1 minus 5 is not possible, so borrowing could be done. I have done this. So 11 minus 5 is 6. The 6 is in RHS. We have to get that same 6 in the LHS also, left hand side also. That is why I have done like this. Right, let us see the next example. 832 by 24 into 84 by 26 divided by 161 by 46 is equal to how much? This is the question we have, and these are the options. Now students, by applying last digit method, units place method. Here 2 by 4 into here 4, here 6. 4 by 6 divided by 1 by 6. Okay, and here I am going to change the symbol. Here is divided by symbol, and from this 2 by 4 into 4 by 6 into, it must be the reciprocal of 1 by 6, so 6 by 1. Okay, we need to find out the value. Now students, here 2, 4, 6, these three numbers we have. 2 into 4 into 6 is equal to, these three terms must be changes here, then here is the division, and if these comes here, the symbol must, here is the division application, and if you write these numbers here, then the application must be changed into multiplication. Here is the multiplication application. Now you can see 2 into 4, 2 4s 8, 8 6 48 is equal to 4 6 are 24, 24 into 1. Now this is LHS, so left hand side, and this is RHS. Now dear students, you have to observe here 4 is multiplied with some other number. We should get 8 in RHS. Here is 8 in LHS and here is 4 in RHS. But we should get 8 also in RHS side, that is right hand side. 4 is multiplied with some other number. Here is 4 we have. For suppose this 4 is multiplied with some other number, we should get 8 in RHS. That may be 4 into 2. Okay. Now students, here is 2. So in options, if you see in the units place 2, that is only our answer. Okay. Just by applying the units digit place method, just you got this answer. Now for suppose, just one example I am going to explain to you. If we apply last digit technique, here is the example, last digit technique to 36 by 4 by 3. So here is the division is another form of multiplication. Just why? Because here you can write 36 into 3 by 4. Okay, here is 4 by 3, and if you write this division in another form of multiplication, that should be written like this, reciprocal of this fraction 3 by 4. Now division and multiplication, the fraction converted into reverse, that is only reciprocal of this fraction. Okay, you should remember this thing. Now let us see the next example. Example number 6. Here is the question. 24% of 40% of 3 by 4 of 12,000 is equal to how much? This is the question, and here are the options: 864, option B 890, 629, 739. You can see here 24% of 40%. Here 24% means 24 by 100 into, of means multiplication, and 40% means 40 by 100. Of means again multiplication, and 3 by 4 of 12,000. Here let us see simple calculation. Here 2 zeros and here 2 zeros. Here 1 0. Here another 0. With these 2 zeros can get cancelled, and the leftover numbers are 24 into, and again these 4 and these 4 also can get cancelled, and here 24 into 3 into 12. Okay, and here you can see 3 4s 12, and here 12. Here is the last digit is 2, and this last digit into this last digit, then 4. Okay, now in the units digit place in options, if you see 4 at anywhere, that is the correct answer. Here is the 4. Okay, so after this simple calculation, you can see here 24 is left over, here into 3 and into 12, then is equal to 2 4s. Units digit place you have to consider here 4 3s are 12. In this 12 also last digit you have to consider this 2 into 2 4. So in answer, in the units digit place 4. That is the correct answer. Let us see the next question here. Question number 7. What we have? 18,696 into 11,916 by 20,853 into 28,728 is equal to how much? These are the options here. It's not a complicated question, students. Here very easy technique you have to follow. Here is the last digit, here is the last digit you have to consider. Here also same, the last digits you have to multiply. Here 6 into 6, 36 by 3 into 8, 24. Here you can consider the last digits 6 and 4. Okay, 6 and 4. In options, if you see, for suppose option A, here 182 by 331, here 2 by 1 is there, and this 6 by 4 already we got here, and into this 2 by 1. Now 6 into 1, 6 by 4 into 2, 8. So 6 and 8. So different numbers we got here. So option A is wrong answer. Coming to option B, what we have here? 164 by 441. So in option B, already this correct answer we are comparing with all the options, 4 by 1. Now again 6 into 1, 4 into 4, 16. So here is the last digit 6, here is the last digit 6. Same numbers we got here, so this may be the correct answer. Let us see option C now. 156 by 246. Option C, 6 by 4. Let us compare with this 6 by 6 here. So 6 6 36. 4 into 6, 24. Here is 6 and 4. So different numbers came. That is the wrong answer. Now let us see option D. 6 by 4. This is 6 by 4 into here 1 by 1. So 6 and 4. Different options we got here. So that is also wrong answer. Correct answer is option B. So this is the correct one. Okay. Just for example, if you see here, example I am going to write here. For suppose 14 by 21 is equal to 2 by 3. Already you know that LHS must equal to LRHS. So here is the cross multiplication. 14 into 3, 42, and 21 into 2 is also 42. Like this only, LHS equals to RHS. So this is the answer. Right. This is question number 7. Let us see question number 8. 383 into 38 into 33. Just to avoid the lengthy calculation here, you have to follow the simple technique here. Here is the units place, unit digit number 3 into 8. 3 into 8, nothing but 24. Here is the last digit 4. That 4 into this 8. 4 into 8, 32. So here is the 2 in units digit place. So in option where you can see 2 in the last digit, that is only the correct answer. Okay, let us see question number 9. 1728 divided by cube root of 262144 into question mark minus 288 is equal to 4491. This is the question you have to find out. Instead of this question mark, which number we have to use. So these are the options. Now students, to this question also, how to apply the last digit rule. So last digit rule you know very well, and here is the 8 and here is 4. This cube root of this number also you can use simply, no problem. Here is question mark, here is 8, here is 1. So 8 divided by, here is 4 into question mark minus 8 is equal to 1. So 8 divided by 4 you have to write here like this. 8 by 4 into question mark is equal to, here minus should be plus. If you move this number towards like this, 4491. Here is the changing of the places. plus 288. Now simply 8 by 4 into question mark is equal to, here is 1, here is 8. So 1 plus 8, that should be 9. So 8 by 4 into question mark is equal to 9. Here 8 into question mark is equal to 9 into 4. 9 fours are 36. Here is 6 in the units place. Then you have to know that like this RHS and LHS, it must have 6 in the last digit. Here you have, this is LHS, RHS. So here also same in the place of, in left hand side also you must get 6 in units place. So if you do like this, 8 into 2, that must be 16, and 8 into 7, that must be 56. Here also 6, here also 6 in the units digit place. So 8 should be multiplied with some other number, you should get like this, and these two numbers are 6 here. Then if you see the options now, here 156. So here is 6, but here 8 into 7. In units place, 7 must be there. So 8 into 7, that is 56. Here is the last digit is 6. So this is the correct answer. Okay, right. Let us see the last question of this today's session. 45 whole square plus 21 whole square is equal to question mark whole square plus 257. We have to find out the number which is present in this question mark, in the place of question mark. Okay, these are the options. Now by applying the last digit method, here is 5, here is 1. So 5 whole square, 5 square is equal to 25. Here is the last number, last digit is 5, we have to consider that. And here 1 square is equal to 1. Here is last digit 1. Now this 5 plus 1 is equal to question mark plus 7. We have to consider these also. Now 6 is equal to question mark plus 7. So this is LHS, this is RHS. So the same number should be presented in the left hand side and the right hand side. So here 7 should add to some other number. You need to get 6 in RHS, that is last digit. So here is the 6, and if you add some other number to this 7, you should get 6 in RHS also. For example, if you add 9 to this 7, you should get 16. 16 is 6 in, 6 is there in the last digit, units digit. For suppose question mark whole square, after squaring the number, the last digit is 9. For suppose options you can see, first one 51. In this option A, 51, this 1 whole square means 1. That is the wrong answer. We should get 9 here, okay? Question mark whole square is there, that's why. So option B you can see 49 is there. Then 9 square is equal to 81. In this 1 is there at last digit, so this is also wrong answer. For suppose if you take option C, 45 is there, then 5 whole square you need to do, that should be 25. Here is the last digit 5, that is also wrong answer. If you see in option D we have 47. So in this 47, if you square the number, 7 7s are 49. So in the last digit we got here 9. So this is the answer. Why? Because students, you have to focus on this. So in this equation, LHS, RHS, in left hand side in the units digit place 6 is there. In right hand side also 6 must be there. So 7 should add to some other number. We need to get 6 in RHS also, the last digit. For suppose if you add 7 plus 9, then 16 we got it. So here is 9 we need to get. In options 9 where is there, that is only the correct answer. Why? Because in this answer 9 whole square if you place here, you should get the correct answer. Why? Because LHS must equal to RHS. So basing upon this. Okay students, this is about today's session. 10 solved examples from simplification topic, and these are the tricks which are very useful to use. Just take number of examples and just practice these sums. You may get very clear cut idea about this. Okay students, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you like this class, please subscribe to this channel for my further updates. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.